Question: how long did it take the fastest cook to prepare lunch? German housewife Johanna Müller set a record by preparing a full German lunch more in just 12 minutes and 10 seconds. This happened during a kitchen equipment presentation. The menu included Hawaiian toast, pork stew with a side of carrots, potatoes, and peas, as well as baked apples with honey and coffee. Question: who made the largest Mozart candy? Mozart candies are round, small sweets made of nougat, marzipan, or chocolate. They also include various preservatives, flavorings, and colorings. The Mozart candies were first made, of course, in Salzburg, the city where Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was born. But the heated debate between the residents of Salzburg and Bavarian manufacturers about whether confectioners on the other side of the border have the right to call their candies Mozart candies, or if only candies made in Salzburg can be called, that has long been ongoing. But regardless of the outcome of the dispute, one thing is certain: the largest Mozart candy was made in Salzburg. It was prepared by confectioner Eduard Michel. For this, he needed half a ton of marzipan, exactly the amount needed to make 30,000 candies of normal size. Question: who fried French fries the longest? Belgians, as it is known, not only invented this dish, but are also its main consumers. Confirmation of this is the record set by Belgian housewife Chris van de Voort, who continuously fried French fries for an hour and a minute. Question: when was the oldest company in the world founded? The R.H. Macy Company, engaged in oyster cultivation, has been in existence since 1189. Today, it is a joint stock company where anyone